I'm Mark Lyons, and in this video, we'll see an overview of Procore's construction project management software. Procore is used to manage thousands of construction projects across the country and around the globe. Procore makes it easy for an engineer in Seattle to collaborate with the architect in Dallas and the owner in New York, all for the project site in Austin. Procore gains more users every day because we sell our software as a single annual license without any per-user seat licenses. When you buy a Procore annual license, you can bring on as many project team members as you need without any additional costs or charges. We'll start at the Procore Login screen, where users enter their email address and Procore password to access Procore from any computer in the world with an internet connection. The login form can be customized for any website to match your branding and corporate look and feel. Upon login, the user is taken to Procore's portfolio view, also known as the executive level of Procore. This screen lists all of the projects a firm manages. Several executive dashboards are available here, from a map view of all of the jobs, to financial summaries of all projects, and views that show the health or risk of each jobs. Now in the center, you see the different colors, the red, the orange, and the green. That's giving us the status of all of those different items. So obviously a job that's running very smoothly is going to be all green and orange, and those jobs that have a lot of red on them, those are the ones that are going to cause the company some risk. Those are the ones you might want to put some attention on. So from here, we're going to dive into a job by just clicking on the name of the project. The first screen a user lands on when they go into a project is their project dashboard. This dashboard is going to be unique to that user, dependent on the items that are assigned to them and the features they've been given access to. The gray tabs at the top of the project dashboard are Procore's project level features. Every tool in Procore can be turned on or turned off for an individual user. This point and click control panel makes it easy to dial down Procore's toolset for subcontractors, show an owner only the tools he needs to monitor project progress, or provide the project architect with access to only the RFIs, submittals, and drawings for the job. Procore's project dashboard provides an overview of the most important project data, including special communication items such as submittals, RFIs, punch list items, meeting minutes, drawings, document uploads, and more. Every user sees a list of open items that needs their attention. Recently changed items are also listed so that the Procore activity for each project can be monitored at a glance. The project level features manage the data for each individual job in its own secure space. For example, every project managed in Procore will have an area to manage the financials of the job, like the budget, the contracts, and the change orders. Every project will also have areas to manage drawings, photos, meeting minutes, RFIs, and so on. Data is not mingled between projects. Every user in Procore has a permission setting. This setting determines what the user can see and do within Procore. You can give an individual user access to one of your company projects, a few projects, or all projects being managed in Procore. That same user can have permission to see RFIs in one job, but not necessarily another. Procore is flexible enough to allow you to share only the information you want with just the team members that you need. Procore is meant to be simple to use and easy to learn. Most people can learn to use Procore in just a few short sessions, often by simply pointing and clicking their way around the application. Some of the tools are as easy as using email. In fact, an RFI sent from Procore can be responded to by simply answering the email the design consultant received in their inbox. That answer will then be delivered back into Procore and emailed to the person who originated the RFI. This is extremely helpful with the adoption of Procore. When you're not requiring every user to constantly log on to the software, a lot of the collaboration is taking place by people just answering emails. And when you think about it, now you have a system that has every document in one place and all the email conversations around those documents also stored in the same place. Let's talk about our mobile apps for a moment, focusing on our iPad application. One of the most powerful parts of our mobile application is the drawing management system. The most current drawings are always at everyone's fingertips, and the guys out in the field can even embed punch list items and RFIs into the drawings, helping to deliver real-time as-builts. We really try to help our clients take the software out to the problem and not take that problem back to the software, which might be in a pickup truck, a job site trailer, or maybe all the way back in the corporate office. The team here at Procore is ready to show you more of our software's features. Using a screen sharing session, our consultants will take you on a live tour through Procore geared specifically to your project management needs. Contact us today to schedule a Procore demonstration and discuss a pricing plan that makes sense for your organization.